Sir.
Yes, sir.
നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാറായോ?
തുടങ്ങാറായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും.
ഓക്കെ.
Hello, Govin. We can start.
Okay. Good evening to all. Welcome to FDP 17, jointly organized by St. Chavara Center for Teaching Excellence, Educational Innovation, and St. Aloysius College. Today's FDP named Framework for 4-year UG program at Calicut University, and our resource person, Dr. Harikrishnan, has joined for the meeting. And I warmly welcome our principal in charge, Dr. Daisa, for presenting the welcome address. Over to you, Daisa.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respected Harikrishnan sir, my dear colleagues, and the respected participants of this seminar. A warm welcome to you all to this 17th Faculty Development Program organized by St. Chavara Center for Teaching Excellence and Educational Innovation. We are happy indeed to have Dr. Harikrishnan here as a resource person. He is known to me for the last few years as one of the best teachers in physics. For the last few months, he has been fully involved in preparing the regulation of the 4-year UG program. He is the chairman, Board of Studies of Physics. His video lectures are widely used as study materials for various colleges for the MSc program. With immense pleasure and gratitude, I welcome Dr. Harikrishnan for his presentation. I also welcome the respected participants of the seminar. I wish you all a very useful and fruitful evening. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Over
you.
to you.
Sir, it's time to introduce our resource person for the audience, Dr. Harikrishnan ji. Dr. Harikrishnan ji started his teaching career in 2007 as an assistant professor of physics at Mahatma Gandhi College, Kannur. Now he is serving as an associate professor of physics and chairman of UG Board of Studies at Government College, Madappally. He has acquired a PhD from NIT Surathkal in computational material science. He is also serving as the secretary of APT and as an academic committee member at University of Calicut. A warm welcome to you, sir. It's time to listen to him. Over to Dr. Harikrishnan.
Thank you. ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ കാലിക്കറ്റ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയിൽ 4-year അണ്ടർ ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് പ്രോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു അക്കാഡമിക് കമ്മിറ്റി കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു ജൂലൈ അവസാനം. അപ്പോൾ അത് പിന്നീട് 2 സബ് കമ്മിറ്റികൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കി അക്കാഡമിക് കമ്മിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്ന്. ഒന്ന് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റുകളിൽ, കാലിക്കറ്റ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ക്യാമ്പസിലെ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റുകളിൽ FIUGP ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ, 2 അഫിലിയേറ്റഡ് കോളേജസിൽ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ രണ്ടാമത്തെ സബ് കമ്മിറ്റിയുടെ അഫിലിയേറ്റഡ് കോളേജിലേക്കുള്ള ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റേഷൻ്റെ സബ് കമ്മിറ്റിയുടെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ആണ് ഞാൻ ഈ FIUGPയുടെ കരിക്കുലം ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് റെഗുലേഷൻ ഈ ഒരു വർക്കിലേക്ക് വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ വളരെ ബ്രീഫായിട്ട് ഈ കരിക്കുലം ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് റെഗുലേഷൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഇത് നമ്മൾ കോളേജിൽ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഇനി അങ്ങോട്ട് അടുത്ത അക്കാഡമിക് ഇയറിൽ നമ്മൾ കോളേജിൽ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഇത് ഒന്ന് ബ്രീഫായിട്ട് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിസ്കഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആവാം. അപ്പോൾ ഡൗട്ട്സ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് അവസാനത്തേക്ക് നോട്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാം. ഞാനൊന്ന് ബ്രീഫായിട്ടൊന്ന് ഇത് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സ്ക്രീൻ ഷെയർ ചെയ്തത് കാണാമല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, കാണാം.
The screen is visible, sir.
Okay. So, കരിക്കുലം ഫ്രെയിംവർക്ക് ഞാൻ വളരെ ബ്രീഫായിട്ടൊന്ന് പറയുന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. സ്ലൈഡ്സ് കൂടി ഒന്ന് സ്പീഡിൽ കടന്നു പോവാം. നിങ്ങൾ പലരും ഇതിൻ്റെ പലതരത്തിലുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാകും, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ടോക്കൊക്കെ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും ഞാൻ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ മെറ്റീരിയൽ നിങ്ങൾ വായിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ പക്ഷേ ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഈ ഓഡിയൻസിൽ അത് ഇതിനെപ്പറ്റി ഇതുവരെ നോക്കാത്ത ആൾക്കാരും ഉണ്ടാവാം. അപ്പോൾ ആ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് വ്യൂലാണ് ഞാൻ ഏറ്റവും ബേസിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇതിൽ തന്നെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമുക്കിനി വരാൻ പോകുന്ന ഡിഗ്രി പ്രോഗ്രാം 3 തരത്തിലാണ്. ഒന്ന് നമ്മുടെ സാധാരണ 4 ഇയർ ഡിഗ്രി വരുമെങ്കിലും അതിനകത്ത് 3 ഇയർ കഴിഞ്ഞ എക്സിറ്റ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 3 ഇയർ കഴിഞ്ഞ് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ സാധാരണ ഒരു ഡിഗ്രി അവാർഡ് ചെയ്യും സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന്. ഇതിന് വേണ്ട മിനിമം ക്രെഡിറ്റ് 133 മാക്സിമം 180 ക്രെഡിറ്റ് വരെ ആവാം. ഈ മിനിമത്തിനും മാക്സിമത്തിനും ഇടയിലുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം ഒരു 47 ക്രെഡിറ്റ്സ്, അത് കുട്ടികൾ ഓൺലൈൻ കോഴ്സുകൾ വഴിയാണ് നേടേണ്ടത്. ഇങ്ങനെ 3 ഇയർ കഴിഞ്ഞ് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ് പിന്നീട് പി ജിക്ക് പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 2 ഇയർ പി ജി പ്രോഗ്രാം ചെയ്യണം. നമ്മുടെ ഇപ്പം നിലവിലുള്ളത് പോലത്തെ 2 ഇയർ പി ജി പ്രോഗ്രാം ചെയ്യണം. ഇത് നമ്മൾ 4th ഇയറിലേക്ക് കടന്നാൽ 4 ഇയർ യു ജി പ്രോഗ്രാം 2 തരമുണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് യു ജി ഓണേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയും. ഇതിന് മിനിമം 177 ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ആണ്, മാക്സിമം 240 ക്രെഡിറ്റ് വരെ പോവാം. ഇത് കഴിയുന്ന ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റ് പിന്നീട് പി ജിക്ക് പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 ഇയർ പി ജി ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ. ഇതിൻ്റെ 4th ഇയർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 രീതിയിലാവാം. ഒന്നുകിൽ 11 കോഴ്സുകൾ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, 11 മേജർ കോഴ്സുകൾ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 9 കോഴ്സും ചെയ്യാം. 2 മേജർ കോഴ്സുകൾക്ക് പകരം ഒരു 8 ക്രെഡിറ്റിന്റെ പ്രോജക്റ്റും ചെയ്യാം. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് യു ജി ഓണേഴ്സ് പ്രോഗ്രാം. ഇനി 4 ഇയർ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ രണ്ടാമത് വരുന്ന ഓണേഴ്സ് വിത്ത് റിസർച്ച് ആണ്. ഇവിടെയും മിനിമം ക്രെഡിറ്റ്സും മാക്സിമം ക്രെഡിറ്റും ഒക്കെ സെയിം തന്നെ. ഹലോ,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can you pre-slide give it to me on the screen?
Pardon?
The previous slide.
Previous
can
slide.
you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, I have a take a picture, sir. I will note it afterwards, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, yeah. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഈ 4 ഇയർ പ്രോഗ്രാം ഓണേഴ്സ് വിത്ത് റിസർച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന, ഷുഡ് ഐ ടോക്ക് ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഡയസർ ഓർ can I continue in Malayalam? What do you prefer?
Sir, can you convey this content in English, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Thank
so,
you,
yeah, okay. So, should I repeat the previous slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So, we will have 3 types of UG programs in future. Even though we admit the students to a 4-year UG program, the student can have exit option at the end of the 3rd year. So if a student exits at the end of the 3rd year, we will award a UG degree. So that's a 3-year program. So the minimum credits for a 3-year program will be 133, maximum 180 is possible. So the difference, around 47 credits are there. These credits should be earned by online courses, okay, from the list given by Govt study. So suppose a student exits at the end of the 3rd year, then in case if the student continues to a PG program, he or she has to do 2-year PG program, the present 2-year PG program. Now, if you go to 4-year program, there are 2 types. One is UG honors, minimum 177 credits, maximum 240 credits are there. And after this 4-year UG program, UG honors program, if the student goes for a PG program, he or she needs to do only 1 year PG program. Okay. And what happens in the 4th year is there are 2 choices for the student. Either the student can do 11 courses, 11 major courses, or 9 major courses plus an optional 8 credit project. Okay. Now, the next type of 4-year UG program is UG honors with research. Here, the minimum and maximum credits are the same as in UG honors program. And here the difference is that after this honors with research, the student can either do 1-year PG program or he or she can directly join for PhD program. Okay. Now here in the 4th year, the student should have a mandatory research project, a 12 credit project. Can I continue?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, please.
Yeah. So in here, the difference is that in UG honors program, the project is optional, but in honors with research, project is mandatory. And in honors program, in the previous slide, you can see that here, The project has 8 credits, whereas in honors with the research program, the project has 12 credits, and it is mandatory also. The details we will discuss later. And let's look at the different discipline-specific components of FIUGP. First is major. Major means it is if in one particular discipline the student earns 50% of the total credits, then that discipline is called the major. Okay, in 3-year UG program, the minimum credits is 133. 50% of that is 68 credits. So in a major program, major discipline, the student should earn 68 credits through 17 courses. Each major course has 4 credits. So the student should, in a 3-year program, the student should do 17 major courses and earning 68 credits. 17 into 4, 68. Now in 4-year UG program, okay, the minimum credits is 177. 50% of that is 88 credits. And so in major, in 4-year program, the student should earn 88 credits plus some 12 additional credits. Okay. Now let us look at how this is earned. Okay, we will look at that when we discuss the structure of the 4th year. So this is the idea of major. And now minor means in a discipline other than the major, the student should earn either 24 credits or 32 credits. If the student exits at the end of 3 years, the student should earn 24 credits in the minor. If he or she goes to the 4th year, the student should earn 32 credits in the minor. So minor courses also, each minor course also has 4 credits. So 3-year program, 24 credits means 6 minor courses the student should do. 6 into 4, 24. In a 4-year UG program, 32 credits should be in minor. That means 8 minor courses the student should do. 8 into 4, 32. So already in the first 3 years, the student should have done 6 minor courses. That means in the 4th year, the student should do minimum 2 more minor courses. That's the idea of minor. And one more point is that this minor, even I said that it's in a discipline other than the major, but it can be related or unrelated to the major. For example, a student can choose minor as his minor, his or her minor, a discipline, a set of courses, a program offered by the same major department. Okay, this practice has been going on in humanities and languages. So in principle, this is possible for any discipline. So the same major department can offer a set of minor courses, and the student can take that course. But the only thing is that then this minor courses or the minor stream should have a distinct academic identity other than the major, separate from the major. Okay. So one complementary program, the existing complementary program corresponds to 3 minor courses. Okay. That means a full minor program constitutes 6 minor courses, 24 credits. But our existing complementary program, it has typically 12 credits. So it corresponds to 3 minor courses. So we can say that our one complementary program is equal to a half minor program with 12 credits and 3 minor courses. And as I said, students in a major discipline can choose as their minor stream minor courses offered by the same discipline or a different discipline. Okay. In the former case, the content of the minor stream can be related to the major discipline, but the minor stream should maintain a distinct academic identity. As an example, major in Arabic and minor in functional Arabic. So this functional Arabic should have some characteristic properties, some content distinctly different. Okay, in that way. And a third component is internship. Internship is equivalent to the project that we are doing in the 3-year program, the existing 3-year program. It means some hands-on or field-based experience or training. It can be done at the same institution, same college, or in an external institution or a firm or industry. It should be completed in the first 3 years, and the number of credits is 2. There is no separate teaching hours for internship. Okay. And the institution from where the students shall undergo internship should be prior approved by the department council. That means the number of the faculty members of the department. The point is that there should be some checking about the validity or authenticity of the internship done by the student, and that should be monitored by the department council. And let us now, the 4th component is project. As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 types of project. In UG honors program, there is an 8 credit project. In honors with research, there is a 12 credit. So first, let us look at project in UG honors program. It is optional instead of 2 major courses. It has 8 credits. It can be in major or allied discipline. It can be guided by any faculty member. It can be done at the same college or in any other college or institution. The project proposal, supervisor, and the institution from the student shall undergo project should be prior approved by the department council. The detailed guidelines will be prepared by the board of study of in each discipline, and there will be internal as well as external evaluation for the project. And next comes project in UG honors with research. It's mandatory, and there are some additional constraints here. Only those students who score minimum 75% marks cumulatively in the first 6 semesters will be admitted for this program. Okay, so together in the first 6 semesters, that means the first 3 years, the student should score minimum 75% mark. Only then the student can be admitted to honors with research program. Otherwise, the student can do honors program. Okay. And there are 12 credits here. It can be in major or allied discipline. It can be guided by a faculty member with PhD. Okay. And it can be done only at an approved research center of the same university or any other university or higher education institution. Now, otherwise, suppose a college or a department does not have, it is not an approved research center, then the center, the department should gain a prior approval from the university for offering this program. Okay. Then when the department applies for a prior approval, a committee from the university will come and inspect. The point is that the center should have the required infrastructure for offering this. Okay. So that is the idea of, there are some 3 constraints. Only certain, the being selected to this program. The supervisor should have a PhD, and the center should maintain certain criteria, or it should be either an approved research center, or it should obtain a prior approval for offering this program. So these conditions are there because after this honors with the research program, a student can directly join. That's why these stringent conditions are there. This is a summary of whatever I have discussed so far. In the first 3 years, number of major courses will be 17, credit 68. Minor courses will be 6, credit 24. Internship will have a credit 2. So total 23 courses and 94 credits in the first 3 years. Okay. And the academic levels of these courses, not necessarily in the first 3 years, in the 4th year also. The 0 to 99 means higher secondary level courses. Okay. Level 100 courses or 100 to 199 means the courses in the first year, that is first and second semester. Level 200 means courses in the 3rd and 4th semester. Level 300, there are courses in the 5th and 6th semester. Level 400, courses in the 7th and 8th semester or 4th year. Okay. This indexing has been done by the UGC. Now let's come to general foundation courses. Other than major and minor. Any questions?
Can you show me the previous slide?
Fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So other than this major and minor.
Sir, your mic is muted, sir.
I have been, when it is muted? Sorry.
Sir, when I says thanks to your slide sharing, sir.
Okay. Just
sir, now slide is stopped,
sir.
sir.
Just 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, so what I was saying that in addition to major and minor courses, the student should do in the first 3 years, the student should do 13 general foundation courses. Each of this general foundation course has 3 credits, so 13 courses means 39 credits. So in the previous slide we have seen, see here, the major and minor courses together constitute and the internship also constitutes, they constitute 94 credits. Okay, but in the first 3 years the student should earn 133 credits. So 94 additional 39 credits are there. These 39 credits should be in general foundation courses. There are 13 general foundation courses. They can be classified into 4 categories. Ability enhancement course. So if you look at the left panel, ability enhancement course means language courses. There are 4 such courses, 12 credits. Multidisciplinary course means the present open course. Okay, the student should take a course offered by a discipline other than the major discipline. That's multidisciplinary course. Such 3 courses are there, 9 credits. Value added course means values like gender sensitivity, environmental awareness, scientific awareness, so awareness of our plurality, our national ethos, like this. So these are imparted through value added courses. There are 3 such courses, 9 credits. Skill enhancement courses, as the name indicates, they are skill courses. There are 3 such courses, 9 credits. On the right panel, you can see how these 13 courses are distributed among different semesters and among different departments. Okay, I'm not going into the details. The point is that out of these 13 general foundation courses, 9 will be offered by 5 will be offered by English department, 3 will be offered by additional language department, that means second language department, and 1 which is called MDC3 in 3rd semester. That content is Kerala knowledge system, that will be jointly offered by English and additional language department. Okay, and then out of remaining 4 courses, if you look at the last column, last row on the right side, in semester 6 there is a skill course, SCC3, that is offered only by the major department. That means a student should take that skill course in the 6th semester exclusively offered by his or her own major department. So out of the 13 general foundation courses, 10 courses are more or less fixed. 9 courses are offered by language department, and this skill course in the 6th semester is offered by major department. Remaining 3 courses, multidisciplinary course 1, MDC 1 in semester 1, MDC 2 in semester 2, and a skill course in semester 4. Sorry, a skill course in semester 5, SCC 2. These 3 can be offered by all the departments in the college, all the disciplines in the college, and the student can choose whatever is there. Okay, so these are the general foundation courses, and now let's look at the structure of the 4th year. And only those students who has earned 133 credits in the first 3 years, that means who has qualified all the courses of the first 3 years, can proceed to the 4th year. Okay, so the condition is that the student should qualify all the courses, successfully qualify all the courses in the first 3 years and earn 133 credits to enter into the 4th year. There are minimum 44 credits to be earned in the 4th year. Out of these 44 credits, 32 credits are in the major discipline. Now 12 credits are additional. So let's look at the 32 credits. So in Calicut University program, credit distribution or the curriculum framework, these 32 credits in the major discipline are divided like this. 20 credits are obtained from 5 major courses in semester 7. Okay, these courses are first year PG level courses or level 400 courses. So in semester 7 there will be 5 PG level courses. Each of them has 4 credits, so 20 credits are there, and there are remaining 12 credits. Okay, in these 12 credits can be earned in the 8th semester, and it is different for UG honors and honors with research. In UG honors, these 12 credits can be earned from 3 major courses of level 400. That means PG level courses in 8th semester. Or another option is the student can do one major course plus an optional project of 8 credits. Instead of the other 2 major courses, he or she can do an optional project of 8 credits. So there are 2 ways here, either 3 major courses, 12 credits, or 1 major course, you get 4 credits, plus instead of the 2 major courses, you can have 8 credit projects. So this can be done in semester 8. Now, if the student opts for honors with research, these 12 credits should be earned from a mandatory project in the major. Okay, so this is the way we get the student gets 32 credits in the major discipline, 20 credits through 5 major courses in semester 7, and 12 credits in semester 8. And that can be different for honors and honors with research. In honors with research, these 12 credits in the 8th semester are exclusively from a mandatory project. Okay, so the student has earned 32 credits in the major discipline. Now, additional 12 credits are required to complete these 44 credits. These 12 credits are earned by 3 courses, from 3 courses in semester 8. Okay. Now, these 3 courses can be different based on the pathway chosen by the student. If the student chooses minor pathway, then these 3 courses can be in minor discipline. Okay, these minor courses can be 300 level courses. 300 level courses means degree third year, final year level or third year level courses. Okay, and if the student does not opt for minor pathway, then these 3 courses can be in major discipline. They can be level 400 courses in the major discipline or in any other discipline. Because the minimum condition for major discipline has already attained. 32 credits are already there. So these additional 12 credits may be in the major discipline or in any other discipline if the student doesn't opt for a minor pathway. Now, 2 of these 3 courses can be taken as online courses from the list of courses approved by Board of Study. And those opting for honors with research, one of these 3 courses should be in research methodology. Okay, so this is the nature of the additional 12 credits. This is a summary of whatever I have discussed about the structure of the 4th year. I'm not repeating that. Okay. Now, let's look at the different academic pathways. So far, in the existing 3-year program, we have only 1 academic pathway, 1 core and 2 complementaries. Now, this will be replaced by 5 different academic pathways. The first 4 academic pathways, they have a common structure. So let us look at that. In the first 4 academic pathways, if you look at the different columns, you can see that, let's look at the 5th column. The foundation courses, 13 foundation courses are there, 39 credits. So that is fixed. Internship 2 credits is fixed. Okay. And 3rd column, major 68 credits is also fixed. Okay, so the only difference between these 4 pathways is how the student earns 24 credits in the minor stream. So let's look at single major pathway. Single major pathway means, consider physics as an example. The student chooses physics major. So he, in the first 3 years, we are talking about the first 3 years now. These pathways are different in the first 3 years only. So single major means that if the major is physics, the student chooses physics as the major. He or she does 17 courses in physics, earns 68 credits. Now there are 24 credits remaining, and these 24 credits, the student decides that he doesn't want to, invest in deeply in any single subject. He wants to study, or let us make a tour of different disciplines available in the college. Okay, so let's say with the physics major, the student can study these 24 credits. He can earn through 6 different courses in 6 disciplines. Let us say with physics major, he can take 1 course in, let's say, chemistry, 1 course in maths, 1 course in computer science, 1 course in, let's say, commerce, 1 course in Malayalam, 1 course in English. So 6 courses he can take from 6 different disciplines. That is called single major pathway. That means the student is investing his energy in only one major discipline, and The rest of the 6 disciplines, 6 courses, he will take from, let us say, 6 different disciplines. And it need not be in 6 different disciplines. Maybe he can concentrate on, he may take 2 courses from maths, 2 courses from chemistry, 2 courses from computer science, like that. Okay, so that combination he can choose in any way. Now, second pathway is major with multiple disciplines. It's just like our core and 2 complementaries. Again, the physics major he has taken, 17 courses is taken in physics, 68 credits. The 24 credits he is investing in 2 different disciplines. Let's say maths and chemistry. 12 credits in maths through 3 courses, 12 credits in chemistry through 3 courses. So that is major with the multiple disciplines. And major with the minor means, again, physics major, 17 courses in physics, 68 credits. The 24 credits remaining, he is investing in completely in 1 discipline, let's say chemistry. So 6 courses he is taking in chemistry. So 17 courses in physics, 6 courses in chemistry. So physics major, chemistry minor. Okay. And major with vocational minor is exactly like major with minor. Only difference is that the minor program or minor stream is a vocational stream now. It's a vocational minor program. So all the 4 pathways have a common structure. 17 courses should be taken in major, 68 credits should be taken in major, and the remaining 24 credits in the minor stream is invested differently, academically invested differently for these 4 different pathways. And next is double major pathway. Double major pathway means there will be 2 majors. There will not be any minor stream. So here, in one of the majors, the student should earn minimum 50% credits. That means 68 credits. 50% of 133, 68 credits. In the second major, the student should earn minimum 40% credits. That means 40% of 133, which is 53. So in one major, the student should earn 68 credits. In the second one, the student should earn 53 credits. Okay. So here, you know that there are 17 courses in major, 6 courses, maximum 6 courses in minor. So 17 plus 6, 23 courses are there. So instead of any minor, these 23 courses are divided among these 2 majors, A and B. Let us say to A. Let us say A represents the particular major where the student is going to take 68 credits. Okay, then he should take 12 courses in A, major A, and 11 courses in major B. 12 courses in A means 12 into 4, 48 credits are obtained in A. 11 courses in B means 44 credits are obtained in B. Okay. And in order to make this 48 into 68 and 44 to 53, what we have to do is we have to take credits from the general foundation course also. In double major pathway, the only general foundation courses the student take outside these 2 majors are the 4 ability enhancement courses, the 4 language courses. The other courses, multidisciplinary course, skill course, value-added course, these are taken by the 2 major disciplines. 2 multidisciplinary course, 2 skill enhancement course, 2 value-added course. Okay, that means there are 6 courses. These 6 courses are taken by major A, the major department A. So 6 courses means 6 into 3, 18 credits are there. Internship also should be taken in major A, major discipline A. So 18 plus 2 credits are for internship. 20. So the earlier 48 credits plus 20 will give you 68 credits. So this is how the student earns 68 credits in major A. And the remaining 1 multidisciplinary course, 1 skill course, and 1 value-added course should be in major B. 3 courses, 3 general foundation courses means 9 credits. For earlier 44 plus 9 will be 53. So in this way, along with the major courses, okay, 12 or 11 major courses, credits from general foundation course are also shared between the 2 major disciplines. This is double major pathway. And here the choice of which discipline the student will take 68 credits, which he or she will take 53 credits, that choice is for the students. Okay, so typically in a double major class, for half of the students, 68 credits will be in major A. For the other half, 68 credits will be in major B. That's possible. Okay. And this double major pathway is not extended to the 4th year. the fourth year, the student can continue in any one of these two disciplines, either in A or in B. Okay. These are the 5 academic pathways. Now, this is the course distribution for the students for humanities, language, commerce, and management for the first 4 pathways. Okay. So I'm not going into the details of this course distribution. There are A means major courses. There are 17 major courses. B and C are minor courses. Okay. So if this table represents the first 4 pathways. For example, if the student opts single major pathway, then B and C in the first semester need not be need not be the B, C or in the second semester. For example, in the first semester, B may be, let us say, A is physics, B is maths, C is chemistry. In the second semester, A is again physics, but B and C can be different disciplines, maybe Malayalam and English. Third semester also B and C can be different. Let's say commerce and maths, commerce and let's say something else, BBA. So in a single major pathway, the BC, the 6 BC can be in 6 different disciplines. If it is major with the multiple disciplines, it will be just like this: 3 B courses, 3 courses in B discipline, 3 courses in C discipline. If it is major with the minor, then B and C will be in the same discipline. Okay, for example, first semester A is physics, let's say major in physics, and B and C will be in chemistry, let us say. So 2 minor courses in chemistry. Similarly, second semester also 2 B and C in chemistry. Third semester also B and C will be in chemistry. So 6 courses will be in same discipline. So if it is minor, B equal to C, we can say. Similarly for vocational minor. Okay, and this is the distribution of double major. Okay, as I told you, there is no minor stream. The 23 courses will be shared between A and B. And there are some finer details here, which I am not going to discuss now because you can read on your own and find out the details. Okay. And so these 2 slides are from the point of view of the student, how the student will take different courses in each semester. This is for double major. Now, this distribution is from the point of view of the department. So if there is an existing complement, if there is no existing complementary program, this department will not be offering any, there will not be any workload for offering minor courses, only the major courses. So the distribution of major courses will be like this: in semester 1, 1 major course, then semester 2, 1 major course, semester 3, 2 major courses, semester 4, 3, in semester 5 and 6, 5 major courses each. And out of the 5 major courses in semester 5, minimum 2 will be elective courses. Out of this 5 major courses in semester 6 also, minimum 2 will be elective courses. So there are minimum 2 elective courses in semester 5, 2 elective courses in semester 6, and 4 elective courses will be there minimum. And if the department has 1 existing complementary program corresponding to that, for each complementary program there will be 3 minor courses. These minor courses will be distributed like 1 in semester 1, 1 in semester 2, 1 in semester 3. 2 complementary programs means 6 minor courses. So the distribution will be like 2 in semester 1, 2 in semester 2, 2 in semester 3, and it goes on like that. Okay. And this is the distribution for sciences. The only difference from other programs and science is that there will be a practical component here. Out of the 17 major courses, 10 major courses will have practical component. Out of the 6 minor courses, all the minor courses will have practical component. So 16 courses will have practical component. That's the difference. So this is double major for sciences. And in the distribution of major and minor, the only difference is that practical component will be there. That's all. And let's look at some general features of FIUGP. 1 semester consists of 18 weeks with 5 working days per week. In each semester, 3 weeks, that means 15 working days, will be kept aside for exams and valuation. So 15 weeks will be used for imparting the syllabus. So the syllabus will be designed for 15 weeks only, 15 weeks of teaching only. And in teaching, 1 credit theory, if 1 credit theory means 1 lecture or 1 tutorial per week. 1 credit practical means 2 hours of lab work. So 1 credit practical per week means 2 hours of lab work. 1 credit theory means 1 hour lecture or 1 hour tutorial. 1 credit lab means 2 hours of practicals. Yeah, so these details I will skip. These are details of how the structure of each major and minor program will be there. Okay, these details are available in regulations, so I will skip these details. The syllabus will have some extra features. Is from now on there will not be any particular separate course for practicals. A 4 credit major or minor course will contain within it practical component. So whenever a major or minor course will have practical component, it will be 3 credit. A 4 credit course is there, 3 credit for theory part and 1 credit for practical part, like that. So the hours will be distributed accordingly. Okay, and another feature is that for a major and minor course with only theory component, there will be an open-ended module. Open-ended module means 20% of the syllabus will have to be part of this open-ended module. Open-ended means the board of study will not design any detailed syllabus for this open-ended module. They will give only some general guidelines for this open-ended module. This module may contain application of this idea or something like that. The details of this idea, this content should be developed by the concerned teacher at the college, so that the syllabus of that open-ended module can be designed by the teacher, can be taught by the teacher, can be evaluated by the teacher. The content of the open-ended module will be completely evaluated by internal evaluation. Okay, typically a 4 credit course with 4 credit course will be evaluated in 100 marks. So if it contains only theory component, then there will be this open-ended module, and its internal evaluation will consist of 10 marks. Okay, and yeah, if a course contains theory with practical component, then the theory part will not have any open-ended module. An open-ended part can be there in the practical part. Okay, maybe a part of the practical can be designed by maybe some in science cases, science courses, 1 or 2 experiments can be designed by the teacher in charge and implemented there. Okay. Okay, one moment. Excuse me for one moment. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And yeah, so the evaluation of this practical component will be completely through internal evaluation. And the syllabus of the open-ended module in each course shall be prepared by the faculty member teaching that course in an academic year, and it shall be prior approved by the department council before it is taught in the class. Okay, so it should be prior approved by the department council what the plan is, and a copy of that syllabus should be filed at the department, and it shall be submitted. Pardon?
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt about the practical classes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the term of UG 4-year courses, the practical content will be changing on, like whatever anything, 80% theory, 20% practical, or 20% practical, 80% whatever anything. but the credit score will be only changing. The syllabus is the same one, right, sir?
Yeah, more or less, but there can be change on syllabus also.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, another point is signature courses. A faculty member in a college can design their own course in major, and this can be offered to the students if there is sufficient workload for teaching. But the syllabus should be prior approved by the board of study. So any faculty member can design their own course, but it should be submitted to the board of study and it should be prior approved. And these signature courses will be included in the syllabus as, or they should be designed as elective courses in the major. Okay. In 5th and 6th semester, I have told you that there will be minimum 2 elective courses in 5th semester, 2 elective courses in the 6th semester. And these signature courses should be designed for the course basket of those elective courses. Okay. And in semester 8 also there are elective courses. So that in the 3rd year, 5th and 6th semester, the elective courses will be of 300 level. In the semester 8, they will be of 400 level. Okay, that's the difference. Now about elective courses, there shall be minimum 4 elective courses. And if there are elective courses, what about the choice in the elective courses? Minimum twice the number of elective courses should be arranged in the course basket in each of these 2 semesters. For example, in semester 5, if there are 2 elective courses, then minimum 4 elective courses should be there in 5th semester. Out of these 4, any 2 can be chosen by the department. Minimum 4. So the number can be 5, 6, 7, or there is no upper limit. Any number of courses can be provided in the course basket by the board of study, and from that 2 courses should be chosen. Okay. And this is minimum number of elective courses. In some board of study may decide for some discipline that number of elective courses can be maximum 6 also. For example, 3 elective courses in 5th semester and 3 elective courses in 6th semester is also possible. As far as I know, only Malayalam board of study has planned 6 elective courses, 3 in 5th semester and 3 in 6th semester. All the other boards of studies are planning for 4 elective courses, 2 in 5th semester and 2 in 6th semester. So the choice will be minimum twice the number of choices. Courses should be there as choices. Okay. Also, for all disciplines, there shall be 3 elective courses for semester 8. Okay. And again, minimum twice the number, minimum 6 should be there as choices. From minimum 6 courses, 3 can be chosen in semester 8. And in semester 5 and 6, if the 4 elective courses, that means total 16 credits, they belong to one field, then they constitute a specialization in that major discipline. Okay. And this will be specified by the board of study. There can be more than one specialization from different combinations of elective courses in semester 5 and 6. But offering courses constituting a specialization is not mandatory. This is a choice of individual department. In fact, these elective courses are offered by individual departments. So it may be better to offer elective courses constituting a specialization. But sometimes a department, based on the availability of faculty and expertise of the faculty, sometimes a department may choose elective courses which are not forming a specialization also. Okay. Specialization shall not be extended to the 4th year. It is confined to the 1st, 5th and 6th semester. This will be mentioned in the grade card of the student also if there is a specialization. And this is the grouping of minor courses. Now I have told that corresponding to a complementary program, there will be 3 minor courses. So minor courses will be grouped into groups of 3 courses each. Okay. Now suppose physics discipline offers 12 minor courses, then that means they will be grouped into 4 groups. Each group containing 3 minor courses. Let's say typically group 1 is for predominantly desirably for math students. Group 2 is desirably for chemistry students. Group 3 for computer science students. Group 4 for, let's say, electronic students, like that, or geology students, like that. So based on what is the traditional, who are the traditional disciplines, what are the traditional disciplines from which students are choosing physics as the minor, okay, we can design minor courses for each group, desirably for maths, desirably for chemistry, for computer science, for geology, like that. So this will be done by different disciplines like this. So minor courses will be grouped into groups of 3. And based on your pathway, whether it is single major, if it is single major, you can choose minor courses from any group. Major with multiple disciplines means you should take 3 courses from a single group, any one of the above groups. Okay, if let's say a math student is choosing physics as one of the 2 disciplines, a math student is taking maths major, and let's say his 2 multiple disciplines are, one is physics and one is statistics. So that means he has to take 3 courses in physics. So what he has to do is he has to take fully 3 courses in, let us say, the group offered by the physics department, all the 3 courses in the same group. That's for major with the multiple disciplines. If it is major with a minor pathway, that means let's say a math student is taking physics as minor. That means he has to take 6 courses in physics. Then what he has to do is he has to take all the courses in 2 groups. 3 courses in group 1, 3 courses in group 2. Which groups means the groups offered by the physics department of his college. Okay. Now, evaluation part is that a 4-credit course will be evaluated for 100 marks. 3-credit course is evaluated for 75 marks. And continuous evaluation or internal evaluation will consist of 30% of the total assessment. Okay, that means in a 4-credit course, out of the 100 marks, 30 marks is for internal evaluation and 70 marks will be for external evaluation. For a 3-credit course, total evaluation will be in 75 marks, out of which here 30% is not a whole number. So 25 marks will be for internal evaluation, 50 marks will be for external evaluation. Okay, and other details I will sum up in this table. This table sums up the internal and external component of different major and minor courses, and also the general foundation courses. If it is fully theory, then there will be open-ended module. Then otherwise it is theory plus practical. Okay, so for open-ended module or practical module, there is 1 internal mark. For the other 4 modules, there is another internal mark, and total there will be 30 marks for internal, for major and minor, and 25 marks for internal for general foundation courses. So that is the way it is. Okay. And another point is that in odd semesters, that means semester 1, 3, 5, and 7, the colleges shall conduct the end semester examination, and they shall also conduct the evaluation of answer sheets of these courses under the supervision of the university. So the examination is done at the college, and the evaluation of answer sheets will be at the college level in a decentralized way by this under the supervision of the university. In even semesters 2, 4, 6, and 8, university shall conduct the end semester examination, and evaluation of the answer sheets is through centralized evaluation camps. And the question papers for the end semester examination will be provided from the question banks prepared by the boards of studies of the respective disciplines. There should be a college level CUFI UGP. Okay, it should be CUFI UGP, sorry. CUFI UGP academic committee. There should be a college level committee should be there. And the structure of this committee, in the 3rd point, you can see the principal will be the chairperson, and the academic coordinator will be the convener. Academic coordinator is a teacher nominated by the college council to coordinate the activities of CUFI UGP. So this academic coordinator will be the convener, and department level coordinators should be there for implementing this FIUGP. Department coordinators from all the departments of the college will be members. So such a committee should be constituted. This committee will be coordinating all the FIUGP related activities. And first task of this committee will be to create a flexible timetable. Okay, in order to offer these 5 different academic pathways and horizontal mobility for the student, the existing timetable will have to be stretched minimum by 1 hour. If now the present timetable is, I think, 5 hours a day, so it has to be stretched to 6 hours. That doesn't mean that the student will have to sit in 6 hours in the class. No. And also the teachers will not have to teach more than 16 hours per week. The point is that now let's say our timetable is from 9:30 to 3:30, and 3:30 to 4:30 we are free, teachers are free, students are also free. But if the timetable is stretched to 9:30, from 9:30 to 4:30, this free period will be somewhere in between. Maybe 2:30 to 3:30 in some departments, students and teachers are free. But other departments classes will be going on. 3:30 to 4:30, maybe in some departments and some days somebody will be free, but other departments, other days classes will be going on. So like that. So total time the students will be sitting in the class will be 5 hours, but the free period will be somewhere in between, so that there will be more flexibility for assigning different classes to the students. Okay, teachers also will not be working more than 16 hours. So minimum 1 hour stretching will be there, should be there. That can be increased based upon the situation of the college. Individual colleges will be having individual situations. So this flexibility should be there. So the general timetable should be prepared in, let us say, April or May by this FIUGP committee, jointly by FIUGP committee and timetable committee. Okay. And yeah, if the college plans to offer double major program newly, okay, there are some, I think some 11 dual core programs are going on in Calicut University in different colleges. All these existing dual core programs can be automatically converted into double major programs. But if a college plans to offer newly double major programs, then you have to take a prior approval from the university, because the university in double major programs, some additional new workload will be there. So the university has to ensure that existing workload is there for offering double major program. Okay, in order to ensure that there should be a prior request from the college side to the university for offering double major program, and prior approval should be there for offering honors with a research program. But there is no hurry for that, because a department will be planning for honors with a research program only when the student reaches 4th year, let's say in the 7th semester. So if some students are interested to join for honors with a research program, and if the department has the necessary infrastructure, even if the department is not an approved research center, the department can request for a prior approval for starting honors with a research program, provided the infrastructure is there. Yeah, and admission procedure will be the same as in the existing UG program. The student will be admitted to a particular major discipline, and then the college shall make available to the students a prospectus listing all the courses offered in different departments during a particular semester. These details should be provided to the students. And in the first 2 weeks of the commencement of the classes, there should be a proper orientation program for the students. The features of CUFI UGP should be explained to the students. And the students shall be allowed to visit and interact with the different faculty members in the first week. Okay. And based on the consultation and advice from department coordinators and faculty members, the students shall complete a course registration using a prescribed registration form within 2 weeks from the commencement of each semester. Okay. So the student shall choose an academic pathway and the courses other than the major course. Maybe it can be a double major program, or it can be major, single major, okay, or major with a multiple disciplines. So based upon the academic pathway, the student will choose other courses to be taught, to be learned in the first semester. So in each semester, the student should make some registration for the. So for this, each semester, the student should be able to freely consult or easily consult with the department coordinators and faculty members which courses he or she should take in each semester, like that. And yeah, a student can be admitted to a minor course irrespective of whether the chosen course was studied at the higher secondary level or not. And theoretically there is no upper limit to the number of students that can be allocated to a minor course. This should be decided by the college based on the availability of infrastructure and other academic facilities. Okay. In the case of attendance, the existing rule is being followed regarding this particular aspect. That means a student shall be permitted to appear for the end semester examination of a course only if he or she has minimum 75% attendance in that course. Okay. If the attendance is less than 75%, the student can take condonation. But if the attendance is less than 50%, the student is ineligible to continue the program and the student has to seek readmission. But the component of attendance is not included in the internal evaluation of a course. That's the difference. In the existing program, in the attendance component is part of internal evaluation that has been removed. But this criterion is there only if the student has 75% attendance, he or she will be allowed to attend for the end semester exam. And at the end of the second semester or the beginning of the third semester, the student can change his academic pathway, his major and his minor. Okay. He can change his major to one of the minor disciplines in which minimum one course is already attended by the student in the first 2 semesters, earning minimum 4 credits. That means in the first 2 semesters, the student, at the end of the second semester, the student can change his major to one of the disciplines in which the student has earned 4 credits. That means one course, at least one course he or she has attended and earning 4 credits. But this doesn't include the general foundation courses. It should be a discipline specific course. That means either major or minor. In the double major pathway, it can be another major. In other pathways, it should be a minor course. Okay. And when the student makes this switching, then the 4 credits or higher than that earned in the minor stream. Suppose a student joins for physics major and he studies, let us say, history as a minor program. At the end of the second semester, the student switches from physics to history. Then whatever be the credits, maybe 4 credits, maybe 8 credits. If he has done only one course in history, 4 credits will be there. 2 courses, then 8 credits will be there. Whatever be that credits earned as a minor in history, those 8 credits will be considered as 8 credits in major history. When he changes from physics major to history major, the 8 credits already earned in history as minor will be considered as considered in the account of the major program in history. So that 8 credits will not be lost, already earned. Okay, it need not be 8 credits, minimum 4 credits he can switch. And these are some details. Okay, in the first 4 pathways, the student can switch from major to one of the minor courses, minor disciplines. In double major pathway, what the student can do is at the end of the second semester, the student can change the pathway from double major. He can change to one of the other 4 pathways. So in that case, one of the 2 double majors he can retain as the major, and the other major he can switch over as the minor. That is possible. And some additional seats, some 10% additional seats will be created for accommodating the students who come to a discipline by switching the major. 10% of the sum of the sanction strength and marginal increase. Okay. But after this switching, the total number of students in a particular discipline should not exceed the statutory limit also. Okay. Now, what is the criteria for switching? The ranking of the applicants for the switching or change of major shall be in the order of the highest marks secured in the discipline to which the switching of major is sought. If I go back to the example I have given, suppose a student wants to switch from physics to history. Suppose there are many students who want to switch to history. Suppose there are some 10 or 20 students who want to come to history. So how do we make this ranking? What we do is we prepare a ranking in the order of highest marks gained in history. Okay, we won't worry about what the mark in physics. in the concerned major, what is the marks gained by the student in the first 2 semesters in the discipline to which the switching is sought. Okay, he or she is he or she is very proficient in history. That's why he's choosing history as the new major. So the marks in history is being used for ranking. This ranking and the allocation of change of major should be done at the college level at the end of the second semester. Okay. Switching of major is permitted within the college, between 2 colleges within the university, and between 2 universities in the state. Okay. And this change of major is allowed only at the end of the second semester, only once in the entire program. For co-curricular activities, there will be some credits. Okay, students participating in activities of NCC, NSS, college fitness education program, and students participating in zonal level events of arts and sports, and the elected members of the college union. These students are all eligible for 3 credits corresponding to SCC 3, skill course 3 in semester 6. And these 3 credits are for just participation. Okay, they are also eligible for a pass. That means letter grade P. That's a minimum grade, and with grade point 4 or marks 33. 33 is the maximum marks for corresponding to this pass letter grade P. So that will be allocated for them. So 3 credits for SCC 3 and a grade point 4, the minimum grade point 4. If the student wants to improve the grade, then he or she should take part in the continuous assessment. He should go to the class, attend the class, take part in the continuous assessment and the end semester examination of this course. Okay, in that case, whatever the higher grade point obtained will be considered as the final grade point. And grace marks for co-curricular activities will be there, and the grace mark will not be there for participation. For participation, already 3 credits and a pass in SCC 3 is given. So grace mark will be only for meritorious achievement in sports, arts, NSS, and NCC. Okay. So that part will be decided by the university in each year. Okay. Credits can be earned from other institutions also. Okay, the details are there in regulations. I'm skipping that part now. Okay, you can work out the details there. So these courses that can be taken from other colleges, other institutions, that number is limited to 1 course per semester and maximum 4 courses in the entire 4-year program. Okay. Students, for example, students going to, in the 4th year, students going to other institutions for doing their project. For example, consider a UG honors student for going to another institution, another college or university for doing the 8 credit project. So in the 8th semester, this student is going to another university for the 8 credit project. Remaining in the 8th semester, there will be 24 credits. So remaining 16 credits are there. That means 4 courses are there. These 4 courses the student can do in the offline mode or in-person mode in that university or college, if that institution permits it. Okay, and he can, at the end of the successful completion of these courses, the student can bring these 16 credits from that college, and it can be added to the credits of the program of the student. So maximum 4 courses the student can do from other institutions. Okay. In the case of honors with research, the project is for 12 credits. The remaining 12 credits, that means through 3 courses, can be done in the in-person mode from another institution where the student has joined for the project. That is possible. College transfer, the rules are more or less the same as the existing, as in the existing regulations. Again, the details you can verify there. Okay, so these are that concludes my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Harikrishnan sir. Thanks for your enlightening speech. If any of the participants have any questions, please you can ask your doubts. If anyone have any questions. Okay. Now I request all the participants to switch on the camera to take a picture. Please, all the participants can switch on the
You can ask the
camera
question
to
in
take a
Malayalam also. Okay. Questions you can ask in Malayalam also, no problem.
Does anyone have a question? If you have any questions, you can ask.
Good evening, sir.
ചോദിച്ചോളൂ.
സർ ഞാൻ നാട്ടിക എസ് എൻ കോളേജിലെ ടീച്ചറാണ്. കൊമേഴ്സിന്റെ ഫാക്കൽറ്റിയാണ്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ അവിടെ കൊമേഴ്സിന്റെ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ആണ്. ഞങ്ങൾക്കത് ഫിനാൻസിലേക്ക് വർക്ക് ലോഡിൽ ചേഞ്ച് വരാതെ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് മേജറായിട്ട് ഫിനാൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ട് മൈനർ കോർപ്പറേഷനിലേക്ക് അങ്ങനെ മാറാനുള്ള പോസിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവുമോ?
അത് പറ്റും. നിങ്ങൾ ഇലക്റ്റീവ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഫിനാൻസിന്റെ ഇലക്റ്റീവ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അല്ല, ഐ മീൻ ഫിനാൻസിലേക്ക് മാറണമെങ്കിൽ ഫിനാൻസിന്റെ ഇലക്റ്റീവ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി.
ഓക്കെ. അതിന് പിന്നെ വേറെ ഒരു ഇതൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ലല്ലോ? ഞങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം 2 കൊല്ലം മുൻപ് ഞങ്ങൾ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിക്ക് സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ കൊടുത്തിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ ഗവൺമെന്റിൽ നിന്ന് പെർമിഷൻ വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഇപ്പോഴും സ്റ്റേ ബാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പൊ വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാലോ അല്ലെ?
ഇനിയിപ്പോ ഈ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എല്ലാ കൊമേഴ്സിന് മാത്രമല്ല, എല്ലാ പ്രോഗ്രാമിനും സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ വന്നു. മാത്രമല്ല, ഈ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ ഇലക്റ്റീവിന്റെ ചോയ്സ് അനുസരിച്ച് എങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിലും ആവാം. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ഈ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസേഷൻ ഒരു ഫിക്സഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പരിപാടി അല്ലാതെ മാറി. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇനിയിപ്പോ ആ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ സർ, താങ്ക് യു.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
This is Rajesh Kumar, Department of Commerce IB, Assistant Professor, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, I have attended a number of the programs regarding to the CDC curriculum development, but this is the entire program. What are the credits can be given to that? How will be the courses can be divided to the students? It can be an information section to the participants and also for me also, sir. Thank you for the wonderful section, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you share me that slides to my mail ID, sir?
You are in which college?
Sir, I am from Coimbatore, sir. My college name is Hindustan College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, sir.
Yeah. You can send me your email ID by WhatsApp.
Sir, can I have your WhatsApp number, sir?
Yeah, I will type here. In the message box, I will type.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
For those in Kerala,
Yes, sir.
yeah, for those in Kerala, I would like to say this presentation will be given to the academy in Calicut University area. This presentation will be given to the academic coordinators and principals of each college in Calicut University. There will be a meeting of the principals of the Calicut University in 5 districts of university area on 11th, Monday, at university. So after that meeting, this presentation will be given to the principals as well as academic coordinators. So this will be available in your college in Calicut University. For others, for anyone attending here from outside your Calicut University, you can send me your email ID through WhatsApp. I will send it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Any more questions, participants? If it's over, I request all the participants to switch on the camera to take a picture. Participants, please cooperate. Please switch on your camera to take a picture. Thank you. Now, I welcome Ms. Thelma Mathai, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, for delivering vote of thanks.
Okay, Nijo
Thank you,
has
sir.
asked a question. One moment. Nijo has asked a question. Can the
Okay.
university provide a model timetable? I think it will be very difficult because every college, the situation will be different. Number of programs will be different. Okay, so far, to my knowledge, so far nobody has attempted this timetable. We will see what we can do. Okay, please proceed.
Okay, I welcome Ms. Thelma Mathai for delivering vote of thanks.
Respected Principal, Dr. Chako Jospi, and our resource person, Dr. Harikrishnan ji, and dear participants, good evening to all. Today, my duty to express our gratitude. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. Chako Jospi, Principal, St. Aloysius College, Elthurut, for arranging such a wonderful session about framework for four-year UG program at Calicut University. Thank you, sir. Then I would like to thank Dr. Harikrishnan ji, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Government College, Madappally, Kerala, for his valuable, insightful as well as interactive session. Sir clearly stated that the field, the curriculum framework, and how it is implemented, and the particulars of a four-year undergraduate program. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this informative session.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards Dr. Sindo Jacob, coordinator of St. Chavra Center for Teaching Excellence, and Dr. Libison KB, IQAC coordinator for arranging such a valuable FDP on vibrant topics. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Dias ED, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, St. Aloysius College, for graciously welcoming us to today's session. And I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Govind Sagar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Aloysius College, for the introduction today. Last but not least, I would like to thank all my colleagues, teaching staff, and participants from other institutions for their active participation, and also thank all the hands behind the success journey of FTP conducted by the St. Chavra Center and their tireless efforts. Once again, thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shall I leave now? It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
You can leave.